So y'all want to get fresh, huh? Y'all want to put on a new thread so you can show it to your girlfriend, and she'll be like, "Ooh, boy, where you get those clothes from?" Don't worry about it, baby, but you know, yo nigga fresh though. So, I'm about to do this try-on haul for y'all. Give you a look-see on these clothes for the niggas that really want, like, sort of a, you know, kind of lower budget or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, if you don't want to spend too much, you don't want to do, like, you know, some heavy spending, but you still want to be comfortable with the clothes that you have on, then this might be the video for you. So, let's get into it. But yes, this is your boy D Light. I'm about to do this try-on haul. I'm about to show you the clothes, and then the video to the side is going to show you what it actually looks like. But this is actually a video for the app called Got It. And it's an app that has some urban wear, streetwear clothing. It has, like, you know, some jeans, like some sweats and stuff like that, but also it's more of like a urban grungy street wear kind of thing going on that's a little bit more modern, new age. It has, like, you know, some really dope threading embedded inside of the clothing or whatnot, and it just looks pretty, you know, good. You know what I'm saying? If you were to rock some ice on that joint, you can be looking like, you know, Young Thug, nigga, Young Thug, nigga. I'm just kidding, but okay, all right. So anyway, I'm gonna show y'all through the whole packaging and through the clothes right now, so we about to get into it. All right, so the first clothing item that I got and I'm about to show y'all is, let's see, the Paid in Full right here. You see that? Nice coloring to it or whatnot. And, you know, typically I'm a guy that is about solid colors or whatnot, but this app kind of inspires me to go and purchase some colored clothing or whatnot. But as you can see, this one is in my size. It's small. It's from 340 Inc. as well. You can see that. You can go to www.340inc.com. I'll post all of the links at the bottom of the video. But for the most part, this shirt is actually pretty nice. It's nice. It snugs you pretty well. You know, there are those typical shirts that have like a lot of space in between or whatever, and they're not like cuffing around the neck or something like that, or they kind of look like a nightgown or whatnot. So, you know, you ain't trying to do no nightgown stuff. This joint is actually pretty tight, you know what I'm saying? It hugs you pretty well. It's not like, you know, bloated or anything, and it doesn't, like, you know, drape off of you like some, I don't know, cover on a window or something like that. Whatever. So this is actually coming in 2 pieces. Right here is actually half a jean. You know how black people say they got holes and halves or whatever. This is a whole half a jean or whatever. This ain't even a whole jean. This is a half a jean or whatever. But I thought it was something outside of the box, so I decided to order it. So, sue me or whatnot. But this is kind of like a nice attire that you can take out if you wanted to go to the beach or something like that, or like something like on a hot day or whatever. And I think it stands outside of the box because it has that new age stitching or whatnot. You know, you just take a finger up in there or whatever. Don't try to, you know, rip off the cotton or anything like that. But, you know, it has these rips and it has like a nice little aesthetic to it or whatnot. And, you know, I think it's just like not necessarily normal. You know what I'm saying? You can have some normal jeans or whatever, but, you know, who wants to do normal or whatever? So, you know, the Paid in Full, and then it came with the actual short jeans or whatnot. I know that y'all thinking that the short jeans played out or whatever, but honestly, like, the way that they do it is actually a little bit more new age or whatnot. So, you know, I think it's pretty cool, you know, the way that they do it. And I think it's for more so the, you know, youth, adult crowd or whatnot that want to get into modern clothes and stuff. This would be like a nice fit for you. It comes in a little bag or whatnot. So, wow. You know? And to be honest, all of these designers like come in like different bags, so there are multiple designers on the site. So we're gonna go into our second outfit right here. This one is quite colorful, again, but it also has a solid foundation to the shirt as well too. Yeah, we tracked out, cuz. We tracked out, cuz. You know what I'm saying? We got that color on that track like. But, you know, this one is another one that's nice fitted. It kind of reminds me of the shirt that I'm wearing right now. It hugs on to the shoulders. It's a nice fit. It's not like, you know, suffocating, but it feels like it's a shirt that will probably last for a while, as a matter of fact. So it has colors you can kind of experiment around. If y'all got some nifty shoes or something like that, then y'all could really rock the joint. You know what I'm saying? So I love it. You know, I feel like I'm going to be wearing this for the rest of the week or something like that. That shirt comes in a 2-piece set, in this right here, labeled why Mia? Why Mia do that? I'm just kidding. Yeah, so you can like come in with the 2-piece set. I'll show you in the link in the description below where you can find the clothes. But it also has just like, you know, future retro kind of stitching or whatnot, and then it has like, you know, hole right here, so make sure you don't stick nothing into that or whatever. But, you know, it's nice fitted. It has a nice little pattern to it, and it's not complicated. It's simple. It's actually really nice. You know, the combination goes together, and it just does its trick. You know, one of the things that I thought about when I was purchasing this was that it was gonna be something that was, you know, like thrifty or something like that, and nobody wants to, you know, buy from, you know, something that could be less quality than what they're looking at. And I think that this is actually pretty quality. I'm actually impressed with the way that the clothes fit. So we're gonna move on to the next one real quick. Just that one. This one right here. Yeah, we're gonna dive into it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the little bit of it. You know what I mean? Boom. What that don't say? That don't say paid in full. I'm trying to be paid in full to be rocking these clothes with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all better pay me. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put the Cash App right down there in the link in the description below so y'all can buy me some clothes. I'm just kidding. Anyway, who doesn't like to be paid in full, right? I like to be paid in full. So, you know, it kind of has like this Fresh Prince of Bel-Air vibe going on and whatnot. Shout out to 340 Inc. for creating the threads. These joints are pretty nice. I remember doing some outsourcing for shirts or whatnot, and I remember the threading. And to be honest, this sort of feels like 100% cotton, and not necessarily like it being like too vastly different from a cotton polyester brand, but it's impressive. And to be honest, this kind of quality cotton is actually nicely fitted. It's well fitting. It feels like quality. It feels like, you know, if you wash it, it's not gonna like dinge out or anything like that. One of the main things that you want to concentrate on is the quality of the shirt. And I believe I would give this like a solid like 10, you know what I'm saying? You can wash it, and I don't think all the colors will wash out as well too. You can just tell that it's pristine. This piece comes in 2 sets as well. You see that? It comes in like sort of a, let's see, a jogger right here. It comes in the jogger pants with the adjustable bands right here for, you know, some people that, you know, might be on a little healthy side, might be a little tubby. That might be a little tubby. That's okay. We're gonna work with you. All right. But anyway, this is coming from True Rock. This is a stretch right here. This is a size S. So, you know, on the site, they give you the option of it being size small, medium, large, extra large, or whatnot. So it's really universal or whatnot. But this one is pretty freaking dope. I mean, I feel like, you know, I can expand on this between all the rest of the outfits. And not only is it an investment for just like one outfit, it comes at an affordable price, and you could max out on the amount of things that you can do with your wardrobe. As far as like, you know, just getting one outfit, you could apply that same jogger to the rest of the outfits, and you know, you can make an investment within yourself. You know, typically if you were to go to the mall or whatnot, or something like a Last Stop or something like that, you'll be dropping at least a good $150 or something like that just for like, you know, a solid outfit that could be around like the same, like, you know, same kind of style. But with the actual site and the way that the clothes work, I feel as though they work fantastically. You know, I feel like they work really well, and you'd be investing in yourself, and it's a dope investment. So we're gonna move on to the last one right here. This is actually my favorite. See that bad boy? R.I.P. Nipsey Hussle, the legend. And shout out to the artist who actually did this, y'all. I'm gonna be rocking this shirt like for life, dog. You know what I'm saying? Especially with the Black Lives Matter movement that's going on. Shout out to all of my black owners, business owners, or whatnot. Yo, y'all should definitely support this right here or whatnot. I'm definitely promoting this out. So, you know, it fits snug as well, too. I feel like this is going to be a lifetime shirt. Now, I don't even think I'm going to get rid of this one. It comes in a 2-piece set. Well, let me show you the 2-piece. And it comes, I believe, in another jogger right here, so it makes it a lot more comfortable. Just like the same last white piece jogger that I showed you, it's basically the same thing or whatnot. Stretch, true rock, or whatever. You can see that right there. And, you know, it has this like nice little stitching to it or whatnot. I feel like it has like some different pockets. It looks like it has separate pockets. It has 2 pockets at the back or whatnot, but you know, you can probably even use this to work out. You know what I'm saying? Go out, take a jog or something like that, and you know, it'll still be in pretty decent condition, unless you know you're a sweater or whatnot. But anyway, this is a 2-piece, and I think it's like nice, clean. It's well fitted. You know what I'm saying? You can rock some jewelry with it, and it'll still look fresh or whatnot. So, you know, that's that outfit right there. So, a couple pointers. So, a couple things or whatnot. I really like the overall look of the haul. I really love the site as well too, and the overall packaging, and then the ordering. You know, it just makes it easy to go through the site or whatnot. But also, there are a couple things, I guess, that maybe could be taken a look at or whatnot. So I'm gonna hip y'all to that real quick. The packaging. See that? It looked like the box was about to bust out or whatnot. You know, when they delivered it to me, it felt like, you know, the box was like kind of stuffed or whatnot. So I would say that the packaging could probably be just like, you know, a 0.5, a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? Because I felt like, you know, the shirts were kind of bulging out of the, you know, box as soon as it delivered and whatnot. So I was like, all right, cool. So, you know, really don't really care about it. Like, so long as the shirt don't come in, like, you know, looking like it's ripped from head to toe, it looked like somebody used it, and you know the box smelled like boo boo or something like that. I don't want that to be happening or whatever. So, you know, it delivered, you know, and it came through well or whatnot. It had the bags inside of the box as well, inside of the box or whatnot, and then the shirts were out. Overall, I guess if it were like a little bit, you know, secure or whatnot, then, you know, that probably would have been like a plus. I gave it a 4.5 just for that or whatnot. But I liked it. Overall, the haul was pretty tight. I think, you know, if you're looking for something that's well to a budget or whatnot, those pieces come for like no more than like 60 or 70 a piece. And then you can customize that to the way that you want, and you get a pretty good bargain for it. You know, you get a lifetime of clothes. I got about 4 outfits or whatever, but honestly, I could switch it up to like, you know, 5 or 6 or whatnot, depending on my wardrobe or whatnot. I got 2 jeans and I got joggers as well. I can rock that with the rest. You can purchase a piece set, and then you can purchase another shirt as well that can match with the same set as well. So overall, I think it's a pretty decent investment. And if you're looking to actually buy into the Guided app, then you can look at the links that I posted at the bottom of the video, and you can double tap on the things that I'm actually gonna model as well too. I'm gonna show y'all how the fit looks as well, and you know, hopefully y'all try to, you know, purchase some threads, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can look a little bit better for your lady real quick, you know what I'm saying? Shawty gonna be like, hey, boo-boo, you looking good or whatever. I'll be like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I get paid fuck. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's your boy D Light. I'm signing out right now. And hopefully y'all mess with the haul. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And if y'all want to see me try on some more threads, then just let me know, you know, and then I'll explain it around, and I'll make sure that y'all get it on and popping and y'all hip to the actual links, you know what I mean? So, peace out. Follow me at _DLYGHT. Stay tuned for the next haul, you know what I'm saying? Well, we out.
I got so much I want to say to you, but I'd rather tell it while I live with you.